First, we prepare a set of point cloud data. There are two ways to clip point clouds in the software, namely 3D cross-section and 2D box selection clipping. Next, I will demonstrate how to use these two clipping methods one by one, starting with the 3D cross-section. Click Tools, then click Cross-section. First, you can select the view direction to facilitate clipping. Then drag these arrows to frame the required planar area of the point cloud. And adjust the perspective to select the required height range. Confirm the clipping area and click Create. The target point cloud will be generated on the left side. Right-click to export and select the export format and path as needed. Click Reset to cancel clipping. In addition, you can also enter the coordinate range to perform precise clipping on the target point cloud. The second method is 2D box selection clipping. Available shapes include circle, regular rectangle, and irregular polygon. Double-click the left mouse button to confirm the selected area. Then click Add Selection and select Cut Selected Points to crop the point cloud within the selected range. If you click Cut Unselected Points, the points inside the selection box will be retained. Click Delete Selection to restore the previously removed point cloud area. Click Single Selection for one-time clipping. Similarly, you can also clip by importing external boundary lines. Click Export Cutting to export the target point cloud.